I have got several favorite pins in my educational technology board. And the first one I want to talk about is called the 70 best apps for teachers and students. I really like the pin. I really like this pin because as a teacher in the future, I found those websites actually helpful for me to succeed in teaching class. The picture in the pin provide detailed categories in many different sections, such as math, history, productivity. I can ask students to download those apps listed in those categories, and it's very helpful for them to solving homework problems and reading for the exams. Also, there's not only about academic improvement apps, but also list apps that stimulate students' productivity and creativity. Those are extremely important qualities for students to succeed in the future. This pin really saves my time that I don't need to use my time to collect information and find useful app one by one. With this pin I got 70 useful apps at once and in nice category. The second pin I want to talk about is this one. I like this pin because I found that Google can add teachers to create quiz on Google Forms. It's very convenient for teachers to quiz students with this technology. Teachers can see the students' results easily and in a well-organized form. Also, giving feedback is more convenient, unlike the quiz in paper form. Students might lose their quizzes. In the Google Form quiz, students will not lose their quizzes anymore and can view them together, helping them study in a college collected folder. Moreover, with Google Quiz, students can get instant feedback on simple multiple-choice questions. Most importantly, teachers can provide clear statistics about means, median, and range. Students can know their position in the class and how much they need to improve. Also, it's very convenient to access and it's really cheaper than the Excel and the Microsoft, which sold like $200. And the last thing I want to talk about about educational technology is this one. Using the speech to text tool in Google Drive, and I think this technological tool is very efficient for both students and educators because it allows both of them to transfer the voice into the text, which saves a lot of time. Moreover, I think students can use this tool to take notes of what teachers say in the class. Like there's a video explained.
That your students have been assigned a new for voice to text. So I'm going to go to Tools and go to Voice Typing. And as soon as I click the microphone, I'm going to start to dictate what I would like written down or typed out on my doc. If I lived in an igloo, life would be extremely different! Exclamation mark. First of all, comma, it would be cold all of the time, period. And then what the kids can do is go and highlight everything that has.
I think this is a very cool technology, and this pin provides this information. Also, the utilization of Pinterest is relatively simple, and and one does not need to have much computer skills to undertake activity within the platform. The content contained inside and has been categorized into different segments, from which one can choose what they desire. By dividing the information into both categories, users can gain guidelines into the process. Users can also get new ideas from the information which is present in broad categories from which one can select a topic of interest. This creates an interface which is user-friendly and supportive to individuals who might not have advanced technological skills. Also, the simplicity and user-friendliness of the Pinterest make it one of the resources which teachers could rely often in getting classroom ideas. While many teachers might not be tech-savvy as the student, the platform provides them with information which might be of interest to their learners. The information can be utilized in the classroom setting to ensure the students become increasingly engaged in the activities. The teachers do not need to be technologically advanced to use the platform. With the information being categorized in broad topics, they can easily search for specific issues, and the platform can give them ideas for class. So those are the reasons I think Pinterest will work very well in the future.